installed some strip drain below this, or on top of the dimple matting. This is what we're gonna pull a vacuum on, is this strip drain, this black strip drain that you see. That's what's gonna take and create a suction on the underside of this liner. So we have hung liner on these walls. The liner is mechanically fastened. It's also caulked to the wall. So we've got the caulk, which adds a vapor barrier. It prevents radon soil gas from coming up behind the liner, and then the mechanical fastener holds it to the wall. And so now we're going back and we're taping everything, all the piers where we've caulked that liner, all the way around this crawl space.